Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this tablet. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!